Hey everybody, it's Matty here with Altcoin Buzz with you on this Monday. Hope you're having a nice one and that you've had a great weekend. Bitcoin is performing very well, as is the rest of the cryptocurrency market. We'll take a look at the next key resistance point, or one of the major ones at least, that is $10,000. We'll take a look at that via cryptoslate.com here on bitcoinerx.com. Bitcoin USD bullish energy picks up again on Bitcoinist. We're looking at Bitcoin price targeting the next key resistance level is 5 figures in play. Possibly we're not that far off. And here on cryptopotato.com, the analyst who predicted Bitcoin's bottom and current price says $16,000 in October. Then we're going to take a look at something exciting via the project review team's Unstoppable Domains. We'll let you know what that is all about with a quick rundown and a review of that particular initiative here on cryptoglobe.com. Here's why cryptocurrency experts aren't worried about Facebook's cryptocurrency Libra. News BTC.com. Crypto CEO launch of Facebook Libra could boost Bitcoin past $10,000. I tend to agree. I think it could be a catalyzing force in the space. We'll also cover that same topic here on altcoinbuzz.io. Let's begin on CoinGecko.com with a quick snapshot of the market. As you can see at the time of this recording, Bitcoin is sitting a little bit comfortably at $9,158. That's up 1.5% over the course of the last day. So we've broken through that 8,400 mark that we've talked about, and we've stayed above it with authority. So here on cryptoslate.com, we're talking about $10,000 as the next target. According to Thomas Lee, the CEO at Fundstrat Global, the bear market is over and investors could be about to FOMO in and take Bitcoin into a massive rally, similar to what happened in the 2017 bear market. He tweeted the following on the 16th of June, taking a step back with Bitcoin at new 2019 highs. Don't those old highs look like a few FOMO days away? Crypto winter is over. Max Kaiser said that $28,000 is still in play, and $100,000, the target first predicted in 2011, is still in place. Jeremy Allaire, who we covered just the other day, the CEO of Circle, points out that the market could be preparing for a massive bull rally that will be triggered by Facebook's launch of Libra, and Bitcoin could hit $10,000 as soon as June 21st. More analysis for you on BitcoinerX.com. Bitcoin price analysis. Bitcoin USD bullish energy picks up yet again. Bitcoin resumed its ascent as it moved back to the top of the ascending channel visible on its 4-hour time frame. The price might be due for a pullback from here, though, offering bulls a chance to join in at better prices. Applying the Fibonacci retracement tool on the latest swing, low, and high show that the 61.8% level lines up with the channel bottom around 82.50. A shallow pullback could already find support at the mid-channel area of interest that coincides with the 38.2% fib, or $8,700. For more information on the analytics relating to SMAs and RSIs, check out the rest of this piece. None of it is financial advice, of course, but if you're more technically minded, you like analyzing the technical charts and looking at some of the metrics, we'll link to this in the description below. On Bitcoinist.com, Bitcoin price targets next key resistance level is 5 figures in play. The weekend has been extremely bullish for Bitcoin price, which has surged to a new 2019 and 13-month high. Those gains have held into Monday morning in Asia, and analysts are now scouring the charts looking for the next move for Bitcoin. As usual, traders and analysts have been scouring the charts looking for the next levels of support and resistance. It appears that a previous high from May last year and a crucial Fibonacci level will come into play as the next major resistance level to be overcome before Bitcoin can consider 5 figures. Trader Josh Rager has been looking at the chart. Quote, Bitcoin's strong weekly close. Bitcoin has been extremely bullish and foresee a test of the major resistance between $9,005 and $9,600. The 0.382 fib is a typical, quote, take profit area, is at $9,532. But last time everyone expected a major pullback in the 6K range, it bursted right through to $7,000 plus. Will the uptrend continue? A big profit-taking session from day traders is likely to send Bitcoin correcting back into the high 8,000s. However, as pointed out above, many also expected a massive correction back to 6K, which has yet to materialize. Looking at the next moves for Bitcoin, analyst Big Chonis added, quote, one more step up the mountain as Bitcoin hits right at the 38.2% Fibonacci resistance, making it the next target for the bulls to close over, and also makes maintaining the 23.6 fib support that much more important for overall continuation. And here on CryptoPotato.com, the analyst who predicted Bitcoin's bottom and current price is calling for $16,000 in October. An anonymous analyst who has already successfully predicted that Bitcoin would reach $9,200 by July 2019 now believes that Bitcoin will reach $16,000 by October 2019. The analyst has nailed his prediction that Bitcoin would reach $9,200 by July after posting his analysis back in January of this year. The bottom was December 15th, 2018. Just look at the charts. We are in the bull market. We are currently in the last 3 months of accumulation stage. After that, we will slowly rise and rise. Then we will boom, screen cap this. So they called for $5,300 back in April, $9,200 by July, $16,000 in October. By February, the call is for $29,000, $56,000 in July of next year, and $87,000 by November of next year. This will be a $1.5 trillion market cap. The dominance of Bitcoin will only be 40 to 46%. I suppose time will tell. Let us know what you guys think about that prediction in the comments below. In other news here on altcoinbuzz.io via the project review team, we're looking at unstoppable domains. Replace crypto addresses with human readable names. So unstoppable domains is replacing your cryptocurrency address with human readable names whilst offering an avenue to tackle internet censorship. That is always welcome. Certain popular domains are going into a live auction on the 27th of June with demand rising every day, and Unstoppable Domains will offer .zil domains with many impressive features. So here's the use case of blockchain domain .zil. The days of finding your wallet address and copying or pasting to receive payment is over, because with Unstoppable Domains, you will be able to send your domain, example, satoshi.zil, and be paid directly. You can also look forward to multi-currency support and the backing of a censorship resistance website. Secondary sale of domains. It is easy to transfer a blockchain domain. You can send it to someone just as you could a cryptocurrency. And Unstoppable Domains will be launching a no-fee listing service on July the 31st. Take a look here at the Unstoppable Domains project roadmap for more information about their initiative and where their efforts are leading. If you want to get your .zil domain, well, there are fees and subscriptions that you may want to brush up on. The initial cost of domains vary depending on the popularity and demand. Initially, all domains had a life of 2 years, and upon expiration, we're going to be charged a renewal fee. However, Unstoppable Domains believes this goes against their views on blockchain and have removed the fees. This means that once you purchase a domain, you are the owner moving forward. You can get started today by signing up for Unstoppable Domains. You can get your Unstoppable domain by signing up. Number one, you can browse domain names, you can purchase your domain, or take part in an auction. And of course, you guys can link to Unstoppable Domains not only on their website, but on Telegram, Twitter, GitHub, and LinkedIn. Let's now take a look at the website. We're on unstoppabledomains.com, blockchain domain names, and you can pre-order .zil domains for $10. Let's do a quick live demo here and highlight the search function. Let's say I wanted to establish a domain, and let's call it, just for the sake of courtesy and friendliness, hello, HELLO. If I were to look it up and check the availability of that domain, you can see that hello.zil runs for $1,000. So I can go ahead and add that to my shopping cart. I can look at basically purchasing that domain. If I want to look up the domain Mattie, M-A-T-T-I-E, that is the official spelling of Mattie, by the way, for all you out there in the comments. There are no D's in Mattie, but let's look up Mattie as a domain. As you can see, it is not available, but it is available at auction in June. So you have both options that are available to you depending on the domain. You can either purchase or compete for them at auction at specified times. Don't forget, for more information, check out our article on Unstoppable Domains, and you can read more about them and get more information at all of the following links. We're running a little bit longer than expected in today's video, but if you guys want to learn more about Facebook's cryptocurrency project Libra, global coin specifically, we've been talking about them quite a bit lately, check out these next couple of articles on cryptoglobe.com. Here's why cryptocurrency experts aren't worried about Facebook's cryptocurrency. Libra on newsbtc.com, crypto CEO, launch of Facebook Libra could be the boost to get Bitcoin past $10,000. And on altcoinbuzz.io article by Licia, Facebook is reportedly launching Libra blockchain testnet next week. It's coming up very, very quickly. But that about rounds it out for the news, everybody. Do be sure you're following us on all the regular social media channels and keep checking back into our website, altcoinbuzz.io, for all the latest and most relevant updates. Go ahead, like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell to receive notifications if you enjoyed this video. Best of luck if you choose to invest on this Monday, but most importantly, here's wishing you a good start to your week, members of the Altcoin Buzz Army. We hope to see you again soon in our next video. Take care.